Greetings and welcome back to another episode of In Your Kitchen. This episode has been brought to you by Rams, the good food people. Known for its sweet and tangy taste, tamarind is used all over the world to make chutneys, stews, sauces, and even desserts. But apart from giving your food a burst of flavor, tamarind comes with a lot of health benefits as well. The health benefits of tamarind are often not spoken about, but this sour fruit can actually keep your liver and heart safe from diseases. The fruit exhibits laxative effects due to its high quantities of malic acid, tartaric acid, and potassium bitartrate. It is an effective way to deal with allergic asthma and cough because of its antihistaminic properties. From boosting your immunity to keeping your heart safe from diseases, tamarind does your health a world of good. Today, the chef is making a monkey chaser. Yes, you heard right, a monkey chaser. For this drink, you will need a few simple ingredients. 1 ounce of tamarind paste, 1 ounce of salted peanuts, 1 ripe banana, 300 milliliters of water or milk, Angostura aromatic bitters, which is optional. The instructions. Add all of the ingredients into the blender. Blend until smooth. A few drops of Angostura bitters will enhance the natural flavors. Tip: serve as is or pour over ice for a cooler experience. Simple ingredients, simple instructions, and no added sugar. Try it today, then share with friends and family. I am Iseline Phillip from Lake Health and Wellbeing, reminding you to drink some water, share some love, tell your body you're sweet enough. That's it for today. Join us next week to see what's happening in your kitchen.